everybody. So I am going to do a quick demo on how I apply my lace front wig from tobeeccentric.com. I use my stocking cap to help protect my hair. I'm not going to glue it down, even though I have used the glue down method for applying my lace wig. I'm just going to use it to protect my hair from rubbing or my hair getting dry. I'm using a Got2b gel and a little bit of Gorilla Snot. My hairline grows very close to my eyebrows, so I have to actually apply my gel in my baby hair area, which sometimes make it hard for my wig to stay down the complete like 2 to 3 days because my hair is there. Once it gets oily or sweat, it can start to lift off the hair area faster. So if you don't have like baby hair close to your eyebrows, I wouldn't suggest putting it in your hairline. So that was my first coat of gel, and I'm going to do 2 coats of gel and 1 coat of the snot. And you want to dry it in between each coat. This is my second coat here. So I'm going to apply a little Gorilla Snot, just like a little bit. I just want to see if it's going to not leave a white residue, or if it's going to be tacky enough to hold my wig down, because I don't want to have the glue going through the actual cap. Gel. This hair dryer is like blowing my lashes off. I'm trying to keep my eyes closed. Okay, so I'm spraying a little holding spray. You can use the Got2b holding spray. I'm using my Kenra Super Hold. And we're just going to dry that a little bit, not too much, because I don't want it to over dry it and it not be tacky enough. Okay, so when you're applying your wig, you want to make sure that you cut the wig out to your hairline. You don't want to give it like a blunt cut straight across, because it will not look that natural. And you're going to place the wig right in your gel line. I like to use a rat tail comb to help press my lace down into the gel so that I'm not pressing too much hair into the gel. If you do get some hair in the gel, you can always comb through it later once it gets dry enough. Okay, so now I'm going to dry this down. I have to use extra caution around the ends of my lace close to my ears. It always gives me trouble all the time, as you see. So you want to make sure that the lace is very dry at the front. Okay, so now I'm just cleaning up any excess gel that was past where I laid my lace down and getting it out of my baby hair. As you see, it always like gets caught in there, and I'm trying to get like baby hairs that's caught underneath the lace. I just use a little water, which is one of the pluses of using the gel versus the glue. When there's extra glue, it's a little bit harder to get any excess glue off without the cap lifting. The gel comes off so easily. Okay, you just want to kind of comb any extra hair out of the glue or gel. So now I'm going to go ahead and lay my baby hair down. Sometimes you can lay the hair down on your wig before you apply it on your head. Just kind of mold it on your mannequin stand. Also, I don't like to overdo my baby hair because I do have excess baby hair. So I try not to overdo my baby hair so that I can have a natural look as much as possible. Once again, my little sides, trying to lay them down, they always give me such a hard time. So I'm just going to dry this down one more time. Okay, so you want to tie your hair down for a little while you are just moving around the house, finish getting ready, or however long you can to give it an extra secure hold. You can kind of brush through the hair, wet it, or do any type of styling you want to your wig while it's tied down. Oh my God, that looks so natural. Yes, yes, I love it. That wig is definitely slayed. Sometimes I like to use a little makeup just to blend my hair if I have makeup on my face. So be sure to check out tobeeccentric.com. We will have our grand open on March 26th. Be sure to be one of the first 100 customers to receive an extra 15% off your next purchase. And I have had this wig on and have worn it at least about 4 times, so you can see the quality of the To Be Eccentric hair. So don't forget, March 26th is our grand opening, so come and check us out and don't miss out on these awesome deals.